Good morning, all. So, now we will study about the structure of neuron. Neuron is basically made up of three parts. One is the nerve cell body, second one is dendrite, and third one is axon. Dendrite and axon, these are the processes of neuron, whereas axon is a long process and dendrite is a short process. Both dendrite and axon, both together, they are usually called as the nerve fibers. Nerve cell body is also known as soma or perikaryon. Nerve cell body is irregular in shape, and like any other cell, it also contains cytoplasm, which is also called as neuroplasm, and it is covered by a cell membrane. Cytoplasm contains a large nucleus, nasal bodies, neurofibrils, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. Nasal bodies and neurofibrils, they are not found in any other cell. They are found only in neuron. Here you can see this one is the nerve cell body. This particular part is the nerve cell body. Now first one is about the nucleus which is present in the cytoplasm. Nucleus, usually there is only one nucleus there in the neuron and it is placed at the center. Nucleus has one or two prominent nuclei, and the specific thing about the nucleus is it does not contain centrosome. So there is no cell division here and there is no multiplication of cells. Then the specific thing there in the nerve cell body, these are the nasal bodies or nasal granules. These are the small basophilic granules which are found in the cytoplasm of neuron, and they are named after their discoverer. These bodies are present in the soma and also there in the dendrite, but they are not found in the axon and axon hillock. Nasal bodies are called tigroid substances because they give a spotted appearance. Dendrites and axons, they can be distinguished or differentiated depending upon the presence of nasal bodies, because dendrites contain nasal bodies and axon do not contain nasal bodies. These nasal bodies, these are the membranous organelles which contains ribosomes. That is why they are concerned with the synthesis of proteins here. Proteins are formed there in the nerve cell body and they are transported to the axon by axonal flow. Now, this number of nasal bodies is variable depending upon the condition. In case of any nerve injury or fatigue of the neuron, the number of nasal bodies or nasal granules decreases, and during the recovery, the number of nasal bodies again the nasal bodies will again reappear during the recovery. The next one is about the neurofibrils. These neurofibrils are the thread-like structures which are present in the form of network in the soma and the nerve processes. The presence of neurofibrils is another characteristic feature of the neuron. The neurofibrils consist of microfilaments and microtubules. Then the next cell organelle in the nerve cell body is mitochondria. Mitochondria, they are present in the nerve cell body and also they are in the axon. And these mitochondria, like any other cell, they are called as the powerhouse of the nerve cell where ATP is produced. And next thing is about the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, like any other cell, here also it is present there in the nerve cell body, and it is mainly concerned with the processing and packing of proteins into granules. So this is about the nerve cell body. The next thing is we will study about their processes. The first one is about the dendrite. Dendrite is a branched process of neuron and it is branched repeatedly. So one dendrite can be again branched repeatedly. There may be These dendrites may be present or may be absent, and if present it may be one or many in number. It contains nasal granules and also neurofibrils, and these dendrites, they transmit the impulses towards the nerve cell body. Usually the dendrite is shorter than axon. The next thing is about the axon. These are the longer process of nerve cell body, and each neuron has got only one axon. Axon arises from axon hillock of the nerve cell body, and it is devoid of nasal granules. It does not contain nasal granules. It contains neurofibrils, but it does not contain nasal granules. And these axons, they extend for a very long distance away from the nerve cell body. Length of longest axon is about 1 meter, and these axons, they usually transmit the impulses away from the nerve cell body. Thank you.